Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about scammers can see your number on Android. Turn off this setting now. So step 1. Open up the settings on your Android devices. Scroll down and tap Google or Google services on some phones, and then basically tap on all services. Now scroll down and find the autofill and passwords. Tap phone number sharing and make sure the phone number sharing option is gonna be toggled off. Again, that will be toggled off on the phone number sharing. Step number 2, stop Chrome from saving your addresses. Open up a Chrome browser on your phone or your desktop or even your laptop. So tap the three dots on the upper right corner, go to settings, tap addresses and more, and basically toggle save and fill addresses off. I'm gonna show you how this looks like. Let me just open up my Chrome browser there. So this is gonna be a Chrome browser, right? Three dots right there, go to settings, and in here, I can just basically type in address. Right there. Now look for the one that says address and more. And basically this one right here, make sure that one is turned off. You can also do this one on your device, or your tablet, your phone, your laptop, everything. Alright? Now going back on your tutorial right here, check which apps can access your contacts. So go back to your phone settings, go to privacy or apps and permissions, and tap on permissions manager, sometimes under applications. Find tap contacts and then review the list. So only allow apps that truly needs access to your contacts. For example, keeping it enabled for messaging and phone, but disable it for games and apps that don't need it. Step 4, of course, restart and stay secure. After changing these settings, restart your phone, and now you've been unblocked the common ways to scammers can grab your phone number. So I have a bonus tip for you. So review the settings every few months. Some updates may reset them. Take note about this one, especially when we always update our software. Be cautious when granting permissions to new applications. Those pop up to new applications, be very cautious of them. Anyway, that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.